Hi guys, it's Marianne the Frugal Chef. Welcome to day number 2 of Vegan Week. Today we're gonna enjoy this very delicious jackfruit and avocado sandwich. We're calling it a non-chicken chicken salad. We used to serve jackfruit at the restaurant all the time for our vegan clients inside arepas. The consistency of jackfruit is like meat. There's been times when people come up and tell us, you gave me pork, and I have to show them the seeds. No, I didn't. I gave you jackfruit. That is how closely it resembles meat when you eat it. The beauty of jackfruit is that it acquires the flavors that you put in it, but it's not spongy like tofu. It is very interesting and very delicious, and I hope you give it a try. And yeah, let's make this. Couple things about jackfruit. You always want it to be young because that's when it's green and it has the consistency of meat, okay? And very important, make sure it's not in syrup, because if it is, it's sweet, it's like a dessert, doesn't work. I'm just going to drain this can of jackfruit and come back so we can make our sandwich. You know, you can find this pretty easily now in the United States. Trader Joe's carries it, Whole Foods, Sprouts, all those kinds of stores. But I used to buy it in Amazon all the time. So I'll put a link at the bottom here. If you want to buy it through me at Amazon, that's fine. The prices are very comparable. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the can. If you've ever had a heart of palm, that is what this tastes like actually when you don't put anything on it. So I want you to shred it. Don't get rid of the seeds, they're full of goodness. You know, jackfruit is very high in potassium and calcium, and it does have some protein. You can shred this as small as you want. To this, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of bell pepper. It's red that I diced. I have a whole scallion here. I cut the whole thing, the white, the light green, and the dark green. And I have a couple tablespoons or a little more of cilantro. It doesn't matter. If you hate cilantro, don't worry, don't put it in here. We're also gonna add half an avocado. And finally, we're gonna add some vegan mayonnaise that we made. I will put a link to this at the end of the video. There's 2 types. You pick the one you want. They're both good. All right, now we're going to kind of mash that avocado and we're going to mix this well. The mayonnaise has salt, the jackfruit has salt. I wouldn't add more salt. Yummy. I will add some pepper. So I'm gonna make my sandwich in 2 pieces of whole grain bread with seeds. I'm gonna put our avocado, jackfruit here. I'm gonna top this with some more avocado. I have enough here for 3 sandwiches, and the can of jackfruit was like $1.99. I mean, this is a great nutritious and very budget-friendly meal. And then I'm gonna put some greens on top. That is an impressive sandwich. So let's try our sandwich. Oh, this is so good, guys. Oh my gosh. You would never miss meat with this. It is good stuff. Guys, if you haven't subbed, please sub, share this video, like it, comment at the bottom. Tell me if you've ever had jackfruit, if you like it, if you want to see other recipes. I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.